media can be a really weird place, and I know Forrest Gump wasn't talking about social media when he said it, but it's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. But you know what? Despite the tumultuous relationship that I can have with social media, especially over the last year, and I feel like I'm not the only one, am I right? I will always be grateful for the connections and the friendships that I've made over the various platforms that I'm on. Like, hello, I met one of my best friends in the entire world thanks to YouTube. Like, what? But what I also didn't expect when I started sharing my life on social media was this huge surge in MOMFidence, which is really just my bougie way of saying mom confidence. I also may or may not have learned the word bougie on social media, and I still have no effing clue what it means. Sure, there have been moments where the trolls, the fun haters, the bottom feeders, pick whichever endearing troll name speaks to you the most, whatever you want to call them. You know, they've spread negativity or tried to spread negativity as quickly as a worldwide virus. Too soon for that joke? And through the occasional pockets of negativity, and I do mean occasional because my personal experience has not been entirely negative on social media, I've mostly just been able to remind myself that social media really can be a great place to lift our spirits and remind ourselves that we are not alone in whatever we're going through. I mean, I have shared some of my most vulnerable moments on social media, from giving birth to wearing an adult diaper, postpartum, loss of loved ones. So my husband's name is Jamie, my father-in-law's name is Jim, and we lost Jim on June 29th to cancer. He was actually diagnosed the same day that Eleanor was born. Health scares and my own insecurities as a woman, as a wife, as a mother. And then of course everything in between all of that. I've shared it all.
Correct. Oh, it hurts so good.
Oh, scary.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh. How many women come in and get Brazilians? Do most people just do bikini because Brazilians are terrifying? And in a way, that's been my attempt to just connect with other people, because I think oftentimes in motherhood that feeling of connection can be missing because you're so focused on raising these tiny, adorable, wildly hilarious, exhausting human beings, and you want to feel some type of connection to other grown-ups who are going through the same thing. And to my surprise, when I started sharing my vulnerable moments, my authentic moments on social media, this wild, crazy community showed up in a way that I didn't expect, and lifted me up in a way that I didn't expect, and made me laugh in a way that I didn't expect. Other moms reaching out to share their own deeply personal experiences just to remind me that I'm not doing this by myself. I'm not the first one to go through it. Total strangers praying for my family when we really, really needed the prayers. Like-minded mamas swapping memes and cackle-worthy stories in the middle of the night when I'm up breastfeeding a child who just can't seem to soothe themselves or go to sleep or get enough to eat. My nips are sore and cracked. I get on my phone and I can have a good laugh or read a good story or look at an adorable picture of a family or a mama sharing something that she's going through that just, again, reminds me that, okay, I can do this. I got this. I'm not by myself. Social media can get a bad rap, and I get it, but I've truly had more positive experiences than I have negative, and I want that experience for everybody, but I think a lot of that is what you put into it and what you will tolerate and what you will or will not allow into your energy space. You know, let's say I have a question about motherhood. I know I can get on my Instagram stories, post a question, and within minutes I have absolute gold in responses in helping me work through whatever I have questions about, or helping me come up with ideas to problem solve. I love that about social media. I know I can get onto TikTok and within seconds I'm gonna be laughing my ass off when I find my little corner of moms who are also just trying to find a laugh in motherhood and get through all the hard stuff with a little sprinkle of humor. I'm choosing to be a half glass full kind of mama, and I'm expressing the gratitude that I have for social media and what it's done for my mama heart. And I would love to know, what's one really great thing that social media has done for you? Please let me know in the comments. Stay happy, my friends.